Market to the kitchen. Guys, chicken lap done ready. I dey wash am. I wash it with warm water and salt. Then I will be roasting some of them, like 5 pieces. Then the rest I'll be putting inside the bag. Look at, I'm just putting salt. This big salt. I'm putting salt to it with warm water. That's warm water flowing so that all the germs and the germs, yes, so then I'll wash it and remove the ones I will be preserving and roasting. Guys, I'll be tying it soon, rinsing it. Look at, I'm trying to press it, put it inside the water because the water is having that salt, the cell, big salt, that's chicken laps. Oh, guys, if you take the kind 2 laps, can you finish the 2 laps? Wash it well. I say wash it. Wash am, Quinta. Wash am. Nah. Wash am, guys. Now we go dey rinse now. Rinse am. Yes, oh. Rinse now. From the salt water, rinsing it. Look at. Then you tie it. I'll be tying it three in a packet so that as a package and I will put am for this thing. Wow. Preserve am. Nah. Biko. So yes, my people, na so we dey do am, na so they run am. So this time to tie now. Tying time. Tying time. Yes, my darling. Tying time. Yes, oh. I'm explaining how I'm doing. Put three each. I'll be tying three. So that anytime I want to roast it, I'll roast 3 because we are 3. Just roast 3. Or we roast 2 of the packet, 6. Then we'll keep some. Because me, I cannot eat more than 2. Yes, oh. Yes, continue. As I just continue the tie am, the package am. Package your food as you can package your body, as you can package your waist, your bottom, your everything. As you dey package your body, they go outside. And so you go package your food too, they go outside. The water go. So my people, if you get more means, you get more money, you buy things, just package yourself. Package everything.